In this video, I want to share with you how to fix lag on your PlayStation Portal. Now, this could be because of many reasons. Obviously, it could be because of your Wi-Fi. If it's not strong enough, it will always lag, unfortunately. Same thing with your PS5. If it's connected using Wi-Fi, it's always better to connect it using a cable to your router, but I understand it's not possible for many people. One thing though that you can do, okay, is, every time you turn on your Portal, the screen of your PS5, okay, that's my PS5, that's my display, could be a TV as well, turns on as well. And maybe you don't want this, first of all, because it's annoying, especially if you're in bed and you want a game. Well, you don't want the display to turn on. And every time the PS5 turns on the display and it's showing you the image over there and over here, unfortunately, it's using some power to do so. And this could be the reason why you get some lag. So let me show you how to disable this feature. So every time you're going to power on your PlayStation Portal and your PS5 will turn on as well, it will not power the display that is connected to. Obviously, you can simply unplug the HDMI in the back of your PS5, but what if you want to game using your TV or your display? Some people, for many people, it's annoying to go in the back of your TV every time and reconnect it. So you can do this on the software itself. So over here, you're going to go into the settings of your PS5. You can do this on the Portal, obviously. And then you need to go into the system, select HDMI, and over here you see it's turned on by default, HDMI device link. This simply means that, again, every time you turn on your PS5 through your Portal, the display that is attached to is turning on as well. But once you turn this off, it will not happen again. And this can definitely fix some lagging problems, since your PS5 won't have to transmit the image over there and over here at the same time. Another thing you can try, obviously, is to restart your PlayStation Portal. So simply by press the power button, click on restart over here. Do the same thing on your PS5. And I also suggest you unplug your Wi-Fi router, the one that your PS5 is connected and the one that your PlayStation Portal is connected. Unplug it. Wait 2 minutes and plug it back. This is just a restart of the router as well, in case that was the issue. If this fixed your problem, I want to know, so leave a comment down below. If you have any other tricks regarding fixing lag on your Portal, I want to know, so leave a comment and I will see you in the next video.